This winter, the UK has received a battering from the elements, with storm after storm sweeping in from the Atlantic. Torrential rainfall has meant that the brook in Dawlish has been regularly bursting its banks, although the ducks don't seem to mind. Hurricane force winds and huge waves have battered the coastline, and on February the 5th, the Dawlish sea wall underneath the railway line collapsed. Since then, Network Rail have been working around the clock to get the line open for Easter. And on April 4th, on time and in front of the national media, the line reopened. And what a great job the men and women of the Orange Army have done. Not having the railway service for 2 months really makes you appreciate what a great service it is to have on your doorstep. And it's great to have it back. And it's fantastic to have our beaches back as well. Now it's time to enjoy the spring and everything Dawlish has to offer, including the brook and its wonderful waterfowl.